Wind pressure is extreme here. Deploying drone for terrain map. We need to move quickly. Let's verify the foundation loads with the AI. Running simulation.
Factoring in 152.1, design is solid.
Jets active, cut the seams. Sweepers follow the melt line. Stable surface forming. Alignment is spot on. Depth is now 4 meters. Load tolerance is good. Secure the base plate. Initiating cross brace alignment. Weld sequence complete. Rapid insulation phase initiated. Coverage is optimal. Confirmed. Thickness is within parameters. Applying final layer now. Protection against extreme cold is now active. Initiating wind phase. Monitor the sensors.
Ready for temperature.
Pressure test now. Watch for deformation.
Sensors holding.
Cleaning complete. Surface is clear. Roger. Activating lighting now. Confirmed. Tower is stable and operational. Storm's getting worse. Deploying drones now. Roger. Wind sensors are online.
Lightning marker closely. Safety first.
Carve this section. Keep the cut precise. Copy. Aligning the barrier now. Good. Secure it tight. No collapse. Initiating secondary foundation reinforcement phase.
Roger that. Systems are prime. Injecting burn. Flow is steady.
Deploy the units. We need to counteract this wind sway.
Units deployed. Dampers engaging.
Excellent. Monitor the sensors. Engage vertical expansion protocol. Sections locking in. Stack stable. Align the duct to the chamber ports.
Connection secured. Monitoring pressure.
Good. Calibrate for altitude variance.
Copy that. Rerouting climber 2 to sector B.
Let's get these smart panels installed.
Robotic arms, initiate sequence.
Align with the frame.
Perfect. Secure it.
Perfect handshake. Ready for next run. These panels are secure.
Good.
Now for the turbines. Full power, self-sustaining. All right, initiate vertical alignment. Copy. Bring the mag lift module now. Confirm, it's locking in. Deploying LED arrays now. Visibility holding through the snow. Robotic arms locking in. Systems are stable. Initiating extreme load and wind simulation. Sensors confirm integrity. Levels are stable. Proceeding to temperature drop test. Deploying drones for stabilization. Cranes, initiate alignment confirmed. Tower rising. Initiating de-icing on joint 3. Pressure holding steady. Copy that. Hose is cleared. The robot's clearing the base. Drones and cranes synced. Lifting rings now. Steady ascent. AI alignment is perfect. Robots, align the chambers.
Alignment complete. Ready to install.
Seal the ports. Monitor sealed. All stable. Panel convoy inbound. Clear the upper platform. Close us here. Rerouting drone to schematics. Wind gusts increasing. Recalibrating balance. Alignment confirmed. Attach and lock. Robots, proceed to primary nodes. Confirmed. Initiating sequence. Check the alignment.
Locked in.
Good work. Connect the main power line to the shutdown unit.
Connected. Robot, secure the bolt.
Good. Now activate the fire and connecting the turbines now. Solar links are secure. Power flow is stable. Backup systems engaged. Initiating full structural test. Sensors confirm stability, no anomalies. Proceeding to pressure phase. Final inspection clear. Act confirmed. Slice is aging. The tower stands. Deploying drones to stabilize against these winds. Alignment is holding, locking the segment now. Perfect. Next segment. Pressure is stabilizing. Test the air mix.
Confirmed. Calibrating for high altitude.
Good. System to have green. Team, align on my mark. Drones for pilot. Lift. Engage stack. Perfect timing. Initiate arm sequence for panel alignment. Sensors confirm perfect thermal. Proceed to secure the next panel. Power lines connected, initiating test. Control circuits green, data flow is stable. Excellent, all systems are optimal. Base sensor secured, ready for calibration. Copy, upper sensor online, check the feed. Final lock is secure. Confirmed. Ready for stress test. Initiating test. Monitoring stability. Initiating full system activation. Lighting and elevators are online. Initiate drone activation sequence. Drones are en route. Robotic arms engaged for mounting. Panel secured. Skin formation complete. Stabilize the module. Lock it in. Alignment good. Secure it now. Connection confirmed. Next phase. All right. Connect the satellite feed.
Connected. Initiating long-range transmitter.
Good. Let's test global sync.
Signal confirmed.
Configuration complete. Running instant diagnostics. Initiating pressure and airflow integration for altitude simulation. Reading stable. Temperature regulation is now active. Connecting solar modules now.
Wind turbines online. Monitoring flow.
Energy flow is optimal. All systems green. Initiating extreme wind simulation. Wind sensors active. Transmitting live. Data confirms stability. Anomaly confirmed. Approving this section. Confirmed. Move to the next. Base level lights are green, activating the sequence. Midsection confirming, light stable is operational. Initiating final operational test on elevator and comms. Comms check good. Elevator doors responding, test successful. The The full construction data is here. All phases are green.
Structural integrity is perfect. The tower is stable.
Confirmed. Mission success.